Hey guys, John and Jeff here with Best Price Nutrition. You can check out the website at BestPriceNutrition.com. I'm not sure if the other video will be posted before this one or not, but a company by the name of CMWL, Centers for Medical Weight Loss. They do protein shakes, some snacks, and bars. They were kind enough to send us out a box of stuff to try. So we recently did a video of their protein shakes. Kind of unique. The powder all comes in individual bottles. You just add water and shake them. So check out that video if you haven't seen it. Today they sent us some, what do they call them? Crunchy bars?
Yep.
Crunchy bars.
Yes, crunchy bars, and all the ingredients weren't on the bars, so they're inside. They're all 160 calories, and it does not make it easy to read here. Normally it looks like between 10 and 15 grams of protein per bar. Looks like about 4 grams or less of carbohydrates as well. And like their last one was keto friendly shake. So again, a lot of their stuff is lower calorie, higher protein, low carbs.
I'm curious about the texture since they call it a crunchy bar.
Yes. So I'm going to make a confession. I did take the cinnamon one.
Of course you did.
I'm a big fan of cinnamon, and I had it on the golf course last night. It was absolutely delicious.
Was it really?
Yes. Surprising for 160 calories. I didn't expect much from it, but it was very good.
That is nice. You know, a lot of times I want to grab a bar as like a late morning snack, and I don't always want like 280 calories from like delicious, but from like an outright bar or something like that.
It was actually really good.
Okay, so we won't be trying the cinnamon today, but we do have caramel cocoa, peanut butter. I'm always a fan of peanut butter, fudge graham bar. I think that sounds good.
For you.
Double berry and sweet and salty peanut.
All right, we got our cutter.
Someone stole my steak knife, so we got a spatula here.
It's gonna ruin our lunch. I've done this afterwards as a dessert. Okay, so this one is graham cocoa bar. Caramel. Cool.
Well, that's good.
I'm telling you, these are good. They're really good. That one's good too.
You know, I compare it to a kind of like a bear bell.
A little bit, yeah. That was good. That one was
Not
really
chalky or anything. Actually,
No.
kind of creamy and caramely.
good. They did well, I'll tell you. And some are different consistencies, because like this one is kind of looks like that. This one looks like more of a popcorny, crunchy kind.
These are like the what do they call them? Protein crispies.
Yeah. Like the cinnamon one I had was like a. You got that right? Okay. Okay, so this is fudge graham. This is definitely more crunchy.
Pretty good. Not as rich as the other one.
No. Still good though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. These aren't bad bars, I'm telling you. Okay, so this one's got kind of a coating. This is peanut butter. You're a big peanut butter bar guy.
Yeah, I love peanut butter. Pretty good.
I think I like the other two better.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
I think they're all decent.
That one's
The
better.
first one's much more candy bar like.
Yeah.
These ones a little bit drier.
Mm-hmm. I bet this. Okay, this one's a double berry bar. This one's got kind of berry coating on the bottom. Calories we had in our diet today from all this. All right.
Less than 190. You like berry? That one's good.
No, I'm not a big fan of berry.
No?
I don't like sweet bars. Well, it's not bad for a berry.
Have you tried berries before?
No. Well, not in a bar. Have you? No,
Not in a bar.
about the blueberry muffin quest.
Okay. It's good. It's different. If you like looking for something a little bit different than a traditional chocolate bar.
Sweet and salty peanut butter. So it seems like all these are crunchy except that first one.
Mm-hmm.
Give me that big of a piece. Sweet and salty. paper in there. I don't think what that tastes like. Just like that.
I buy these sweet and salty bars from Aldi, kind of similar to
I
that.
was gonna say, these are like what you see at grocery stores.
Granola bar.
Yeah. Well, let's try the cinnamon. It's one of the top.
Was it one of these or one
No,
of
it was like this.
Really?
But outside of that, the caramel cocoa bar is delicious.
Yeah, I'd say by far that one's the best.
Yep.
I thought all the other ones were decent. I think probably my second favorite was probably the fudge graham.
Yeah. No, I agree with you.
I think none of them were bad.
No, surprisingly, I mean, we've tasted some bad protein bars on this show before. This is actually really good. I'm surprised, you need to market this stuff more because
You know, I won't name any names, but some of the companies you would expect the best from
Yep.
have been some of the worst bars out.
Yeah, and that's absolutely delicious. Yeah, you get some like influencer or something, getting pushing that bar for 160 calories.
Yeah,
That's really good.
it definitely fills the spot for a leaner bar because again,
Yep.
it's hard to find anything under like 280.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so
All right.
we don't currently sell these. I'm
No.
pretty sure they just distribute them themselves. So I don't know if we'd even be able to bring them in, but if that is something you'd like us to bring in, let us know.
Yep. Post down below.
Yeah, post it down below. Thanks for sending these out.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and if anybody else has any questions or you think we should bring them in, if we can, post down below. Otherwise, give us a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, and if you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified every time that we do a new video. Thanks for watching.